Hello guys, today we are going to review the parts of the body, so you have to listen and repeat. Are you ready? Let's go. Listen and repeat. Head, head, eyes, eyes, nose, nose, mouth, mouth, ears, ears, hands, hands, arm, arm, legs, legs. Very good, guys. Great job.